Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to our channel. If this is your first time coming to this channel, please subscribe and like our videos, and also share this with your family and friends, as this is a form of sadaqah for me and also a form of sadaqah for yourself. So today we'll be covering what is Qalqala and the rule of Qalqala and an example of Qalqala. What's Qalqala? Qalqala means to bounce back or to echo. We'll be using the meaning of echoing a letter. So whenever I say Qalqala, I mean to echo. Now moving on to the rule of Qalqala. Qalqala, I've broken it down into 3 steps. The first step is to find any of the following 5 letters: Qaf, Ta, Ba, Jim and Dal. Once again, Qaf, Ta, Ba, Jim, Dal. Okay, there's an acronym for this, which is Kutubu Jadd. So rather than learning those 5 letters themselves, learn it through the acronym of Kutubu Jadd. Now that we completed step 1, moving on to step 2. Step 2 is easy. We have to find if the 5 letters are at the end of an ayah, that's at the end of an ayah, or they have a sukoon on top of it. If you don't know what a sukoon is, click on this link here and inshallah find out what a sukoon is. Now that we've completed these 3 steps, if you have any questions or if you're not still understanding it, leave in the comment section below a comment and inshallah we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Now moving on to the example. At the end of the first ayah of Surah Ikhlas, we have the word ahadun. So at the end of the ayah we have the word ahadun. Now this is at the end of the ayah. Do we echo this? Yes, we do echo this letter. So I'll read the whole ayah out to you. A'udhu billahi minash shaytanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qul huwallahu ahad. Ahad. I didn't say ahadun or ahad. Ahad. Yeah, I said ahad. I echoed it. Jazakallah khair for watching this video. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe and hit the like button. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum.